risen in Ghana, which will enable us to build a new Ghanaian civilization, which will be the beacon of Africa and the wonder of the world.
Miles and miles away, technology has been able to address this challenge. Just sitting at their VOPSI office, the drones are able to serve about 256 health facilities. On a full scale, however, it can serve about 500 health facilities.
As you know, we have 4 centers now supporting parts of the country. They've done supporting currently about 1,000 facilities, and they have delivered more than 2.8 million supplies across these centers.
So we are building gradually and strengthening our health systems, and I believe that equitable distribution of equity healthcare delivery will soon be achieved with some of these interventions.
We have a major challenge in Ghana, in many developing countries, and that is the problem of, remote areas. If there is a snake bite and you need snake serum, how long would it take for that to get to you if you don't have a hospital nearby which has the stock? You may even have a hospital nearby and you may not have snake serum. If a woman is about to deliver and needs blood, moving from, maybe islands in Afram Plains, how do you get, the blood supplies when you need to go by canoe and all of that? It becomes very, very difficult. So we have been thinking of how to address these problems. And, we found out about the zipline technology.
The VOPSI Zipline office is located in the Northeast region.
It's like God loves Ghana more than any other country in this world. If we didn't have these drone services in the Northeast region during the peak of the floods, I don't know what would have really happened.
The VOPSI Zipline base appears to be the busiest in the country, though it was commissioned only in September.
Almost every day, they have to get this to be able to save people's lives. Whether midnight, whether in the day time, whether whichever time it is, it was the drone services that was used to save lives.
Looking back, there seems to have been some foresight on our part to leverage on technology. And this is why, I believe that developing countries have more to gain, the upside, using technology than even the developed countries.
We use Zipline for a variety of services. They deliver vaccines to us, they deliver medications we don't currently have in stock, they deliver blood and blood products to us at all times of the day, odd hours of the day. Whenever we make requests, we get deliveries brought to us promptly.
Aside the VOPSI base in Wale Wale, the drone services are operational in Omenako in the eastern region, Mampong in Ashanti, and Sefioso in the western region. The zipline technology has brought health professionals so much relief.
Because of the nature of our operation, we are better placed to be able to serve at speed the anti-snake and anti-rabies more, because those are things that you need quickly and the patient will need it. And in a matter of seconds, the patient may lose their life, so we are better placed to be able to serve those. So we get quite a number of those orders.
The help of Zipline, now we don't usually do the referral. If you can get the drugs from them, that is if they have in stock those drugs. So we just order those medications and within 10 to 15 minutes, it's available when we administer.
Their impact was felt more, especially in the heat of the COVID-19 pandemic.
With COVID, the drone started flying samples from the hinterlands to Omenako, and from there continued by road to Noguchi, so that they could test in good time to take results back. Phenomenal.
For doctors and their nurses, their joy is from the fact that referrals to bigger facilities have reduced. There are plans for the drone service to cover the entire country.
We are hoping that next year we will have coverage for the whole of Ghana. Right now we have 4 main centers. We need an additional 4 centers for 100% coverage of all of Ghana, and I think it's very, very important. I hear a parliamentarian, in fact, made that request that we should get coverage for all of Ghana. And he wasn't an MPP parliamentarian, he was an NDC parliamentarian. And it's good that that thinking has changed about how helpful the drones have been. We are at a cutting edge of technology, and Ghana is one of the leading countries in the world.